press, click on zoom and press Alt plus R. And right now I am recording also. And it's just a demo. So now we will discuss about VLOOKUP.
Okay.
So VLOOKUP basically works for shortlisted data. Okay. And like suppose name here, I want to total from anyone like Sumit. So if I want to total over here, then you go for VLOOKUP. And many more subjects and many more numbers. So you can retrieve from data. So now apply over here VLOOKUP, and you see we can understand what is the technique of VLOOKUP. So look for a value in the leftmost column of a table. It means it shows first weakness of VLOOKUP in a first line. It's told that name column is must to be in a first column from the table. It's must. If name column in another way, so that is not applied over here VLOOKUP. It means if you your target is always in a table first column. Okay, like over here target is Sumit. Our target is Sumit, so I want to total of Sumit, right?
Yes.
So now it's first said that, and after that and then returns. But right now that is not possible to data the first column, but we find another solution for doing that. But right now we discuss about VLOOKUP, and then returns a value in the same row from a column you specify. It means from same row. It means find the Sumit, and Sumit rows find the number of any column by a specify by you, right?
Okay.
And one more thing, by default the table
So
must
from
be,
Sumit,
sorry.
you are trying to find the numbers available in Sumit row. Sumit
Yeah,
row.
yeah. And find the total basically. So you specify the column number over here.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, and second thing, by default the table must be sorted in an ascending order, but it's not apply for basically two way of VLOOKUP. One is exact value and one is matchable value. Okay. So hope you understand what is the technique of VLOOKUP. Just go for Sumit rows and after that find the as per column given by you. Okay. So now VLOOKUP. And another thing, content. You see here lookup.
Sir, voice is breaking. Voice.
Voice is breaking.
Yeah. Now it's okay now.
Now it's okay. So lookup. Lookup, it's mean your target.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you see here target, it means Sumit. So now we select our target. Second thing, table array. Table array, it means data. Another content.
Sorry, voice is not getting clear. I think any network issues from your end.
1 second. I see. Now it's okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
So table array, it means data.
Hmm.
So now we select the data. So now we select the data, right?
Yeah.
And another thing, column index number.
Hmm.
So you see here, column index number.
Hmm.
Column index number, it means column number in a number format. That's why
Okay.
using over here index. Otherwise, direct column number applied over here. But here you see column index number. It means column number
Hmm.
in a number format.
Okay.
Okay. So now, if I count column number, the total column number of total is 6, right? First in name, second is Hindi, third is English. So it is a very difficult how to find a number. If you have 250 columns, that is very difficult to count the column number, right?
Hmm.
So this is the problem in this formula, right? Right?
Yeah.
This is the problem in if you have like 250 columns.
Yes, yes, yes.
So that is very difficult to. So we will find another solution for this, how to count. Okay. Now just understand the formula. So now
Hmm.
if you see total column number is 6, right? And one more thing, true for approximate
Hmm.
match, false for exact match. So what you want, approximate match or exact match?
Exact match.
Exact match. So we select over here false, because false for exact match. Okay. And you can use over here false for 0 and true for 1. Both false or
Okay,
0,
okay.
both are applicable. So you see
Okay.
184, right? And why we
Yeah.
and sometimes a student told, sir, this is a very easy for directly find out the number of Sumit. Why we can use this,
Hmm.
right? So that is a very easy. So basically, it's find
Hmm.
from like big data. Okay. So you see here, and sometimes students told me, sir, it's a very simple data. So how can we work on big data?
Hmm.
So if you understand formula,
Hmm.
then no problem. Your data is small or your data is big. So I give you an example.
Hmm.
Okay. So now go to last cell and type here Santosh, and I just give some numbers. If I find the number of Santosh, like total number or
Yeah.
any number, then big data or small data issues is removed over here, right?
Okay.
Sometimes uh, student have a problem how to use with big data. So you see here, I
Yeah.
type I type here Santosh. On
Okay.
it will not work. And why?
Hmm.
So you see here, target is okay with us. Now, if you see the table, so table not cover Santosh. That's why it's not given the result, right?
Okay. Hmm.
So now, when we will cover the table, that it will work. So I remove over here. If you want to whole column and whole rows, so you remove here row number and remove here no row number. So you see whole rows selected over here, and we get the number of Santosh.
Mm.
Okay, so hope big data or small data, its query
Mm.
is removed over here, right? So
Mm.
formula is working with small data, same types in a big data.
Mm.
Okay, so here must be important for understand the formula. And now we have two. Like
Mm.
suppose I type here math. Oh,
Mm.
it's a 30 no 309. So it's not work. So I want to
Mm.
basically why it's not work, because this cell not connected to this formula. If you see,
Mm.
so
Mm.
I find the way for how to connect this cell into formula, and how can find
Mm.
automatically column number. Okay,
Mm.
so basically we can use another formula, that is match. So
Mm.
you see here, I type here match, how match works. So first I
Mm.
will see match
Mm.
and what match works. So it's here, it returns the relative position
Mm.
item in an array that match a specified value in a specified order. Okay, so basically it
Mm.
gives your position, what the position of uh, that value, your target in a data. Okay, so now we want to find the position of total, find the position of Hindi, find out the position of math automatically, right?
Mm.
Then our work is done, right? So now match, lookup value, it means match or Santosh. So first I will
Yeah.
find Santosh. So you
Mm.
see here,
Mm.
so I now type the Sumit, because Santosh is in the last way. So you see here,
Mm.
from the list, Sumit has second position, right? If I type here
Mm.
rupees, so it's find position of target in a list given by you,
Uh,
not given by
Sir, sir, after finishing, I will just share the one screen in that. Just tell me, can we apply this formula, lookup formula, VLOOKUP?
yeah, yeah, no problem.
Mm.
But
Okay.
right now you understand the formula of VLOOKUP. Okay,
Yeah.
so after
No,
that,
sir, right now I cannot understand, but when I join you the
no,
class
I just
later, maybe with some exercise I can understand.
okay.
So I am just catching here and there, but 100% I am not getting actually. I want to be very true.
So what is the problem?
No, problem is this is the first time. No, I never done this exercise in my life.
Okay. So
So I
basically,
need time to understand.
VLOOKUP, I have covered VLOOKUP from the mid of syllabus. So you just
Yeah, yeah,
see, and it's not totally understand, because it's have lots of understanding, like how cell number works, how cell fixed value, how cell, so
yeah, yeah,
lots of things. So that's why it's not totally understanding. But you can
yeah.
understand how it works. Okay, and what
Mm.
is the how to find the solution. So basically, my focus is how to
Yes,
find
yes,
the solution for any query, not even
yes.
just teach by me. Okay,
Mm.
so that's I just want to give this way only. So of course, this is not possible to 100% understanding, because it's the first time, right? Okay, so basically, how match works. So match basically find the position. Okay, so hope you understand. And from given
Yeah,
by given list by you.
yeah.
Okay, so now, and exact value, I also want to exact value, so I select here 0.
Mm.
So same way, it's a, we find out by vertical position. So when we want to in a horizontal way, that is also possible, like match, lookup value is match. Basically, I want to teach you how to concatenate basically formulas. That's the important thing.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
So now I select the list and 0. So you see here, find the position. If I type here total, automatically it's 6. Okay,
Mm.
column number. And this formula we can use in
Mm.
VLOOKUP also.
Okay.
Because VLOOKUP wants column number as per typed by heading.
Mm.
As per typed by heading.
Okay.
So now
Okay.
I applied here, and you see if I type here Hindi, it gives Hindi number. If I type here Rajan, so it's a Rajan number. Okay. And how it works for multiple values. One another thing. Okay. So now how it works for like Hindi, math, and total. And one another thing, how it works for Sumit and Rupesh. So it works with self-reference. So we will discuss on syllabus how to use self-reference. I just put into self. I don't want to. Each column is different. You see here, if I
Mm.
drag down, not given result, and even math gives 99. Okay. So why it's gives and why it's not gives? So you see here, when I found, you see here, so 74. It's targeted 74. So we don't want to target 74. We want to target Hindi, right? In a formula. Okay. So now just we use fix the column value. So put the dollar symbol or F4. Basically how get results. So I just on you. Okay. So it will give result from big data. So
Okay.
basically, it's a power of
Okay.
VLOOKUP. It's a power of VLOOKUP, and it will use
Mhm.
it had used concatenation also. So basically, we use over here
Mm.
two formula in a one cell. So it is
Mhm.
called formula concatenation.
Mm.
Okay. So basically, I just want to you understand the how to use concatenation of a formula as per your requirement.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, we have started from this core basics. So it has not a big issue for how to understand this. Okay. And one more thing, what is the pivot table? So I just show you. So I want to name like math this or total. Okay. In a different manner. So basically it's a pivot table, and actually data is very so small. So we can use like this one second. Basically, we have lots of assignments. It's not too huge, but it's a big data. It's a salesman sales. So basically, it's a big data, not too huge. So it's a 300 around, right?
Yes.
So I want to report for like this type. It means sales or total sales of the employee over here. So now we can use pivot table also. So you can use same sheet or another sheet also. So like I want to salesman or sales. Okay. And if you want to cold drink also, so I have click cold drink. So this way data is now by row in a row manner, right? So I want to as a column manner. So you just cold drink as a column manner. Okay. Hello.
Sir, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay. So you see here how to create a report. So basically pivot table used for report also. So if I want to
Hmm.
like Rajan, Deepak, how much cold drink sales one by one, if I want to see, then we use over here filter also and most another thing, lots of another thing. If I want to create report one by one, so you can create report also. So basically it's setting for a pivot table. And over here slicer also. If I want to as per salesman or as per cold drink. So if you click on Rajan, it can show sales of Rajan only. Okay. So basically pivot table used for VLOOKUP.
So this
But
is pivot tables.
yeah, but it's have a one weakness. Pivot table has one weakness. If you change the data, then you have to must click on refresh after change the data from the source. So it must to be important. And if you are to same way, as per formula, so that is also possible. Like you applied over here some if and go to range. You see here range criteria. So basically
Yeah.
range this one. So our range is A column, right? We can find a Rajan from A column. So A column A.
Yeah.
It shows whole row. And after that, click here Rajan and sum range. Sum range, it means B column. So B column B. And we find that. And one more thing, if I want to give all the result, so just leave and control D. It gives result by summing. So this type of basically this type of assignments all the time, and even assignment level is very low to very high. So I show you like you see this type of assignment. You find this report salesman through cold drinks, through salesman and cold drinks both, and you can find create for both types like a this through formula or through pivot table. Okay, so now see over here Rajan and a salesman of here cold drinks and this type of month of Jan only for the sales of this. Okay, so these are the possible through pivot table or formula both. Okay, so now another question to have or hope you can understand. Hello.
Sir, I'm hearing, but intermittently little voice is breaking, but it's okay, I'm hearing.
Okay, so now end the demo session. So have you any question
Hmm.
about it?
So I will share one screen, sir.
Okay,
Was disabled.
just give me 1 minute. Okay, you can share.
So this one you can see.
Just 1 second. Yeah.
In this, we can apply VLOOKUP and select only G2 like that.
Okay, just a minute. Basically, over here, column heading repeated, right?
Okay, we have to write the column heading here.
Yeah. So I will find out also, but it's a in a different way and different manner.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I can found this, but this is a different manner. So
Okay. Suppose I want to isolate only G2 here.
Hmm.
Only G2 I want to isolate. Then what function I should use?
uh, G2. So you want to VLOOKUP column wise or row wise? Basically, if I
Sir, now in the screen, no, now in the screen, I want only G2 to be seen on the screen. Other things should go. Like that, is there any function?
just 1 second. Yeah, it will possible, but it will possible from 1 week, not from whole data. Because column number matched over here. And you can apply over here first week, second week, third week, fourth week. Then it will possible. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
If you want to this data, so it will also possible, but it's like a first week, second week, third week, and fourth. If you have mentioned the date, then it is possible. So I think it's the date, right? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
Yeah,
Friday.
it's a date, sir.
It's a date. So if you mention that, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So can you give me? So you can click on Saturday. Just click on Saturday or any of the column of heading.
Okay, Saturday.
No, dear.
Saturday, I click.
Yeah. So it's a value. If you type here date, and you can also put on from date, you can put here as a date day. So can I change this?
Sir, your voice breaking. Saturday.
So basically Saturday. What is the date of Saturday?
Yeah, Saturday I clicked, sir.
So what is the date of Saturday? First. Okay. So date
Saturday
mention.
first.
Okay. 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 It will possible. Date mention
First, yes, yes.
into lower line. Okay. That is also possible. Yeah. Okay. So just give me permission for
I can create one column and put a date here. That is not.
no. It's has already given here. Sorry. Actually, I did not see. It's already given.
Which one, sir?
It's already given in the second row of the day. Date already given.
Yeah, date is given here. One,
Yeah. That is
two,
also
three.
a track from date. Okay. So can I apply
Yeah.
in right side? Suppose just give me permission for apply. Yeah, you can apply also.
Where, sir? Where I have to give permission?
Uh, from the Zoom menu, you see mouse
Zoom
icon.
menu, where
Mouse
advanced
mouse icon. You see mouse icon.
mouse icon. 1 minute.
Yeah.
1 minute, sir. And at remote controller,
Yeah.
auto accept share clipboard. That one give mouse or keyboard control.
Yeah, mouse and keyboard control. Mouse and keyboard control.
Okay, I given.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, we use last column of this sheet. Okay, AJ. So I type here date, and I typed here like Dr. Nicholas. Okay.
Hmm.
and I want to find the status of date of 15th. Okay. So what is the Dr. Nicholas status on 15th?
Hmm.
So now we apply over here, we look up.
Hmm.
Lookup value. It means Dr. Nicholas is our target. Table array.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Comma. And over here, find the column number. So same way, using over here match. Or find the basically column number. Then create a list.